Good evening, dear students. So I have come with another revision of HRA. I have already done this topic, but I have got feedback from all of you all. Some of you've said that you've understood very well. That's very good. But some of you are unable to understand. So for them who have not understood that well, you can check this, and I hope after looking at this solution you'll be able to understand HRA, and no matter what sum comes for HRA you'll be able to do. And I'm very happy that some of you are giving me feedback. Please do give me feedback whether you've understood or not, because I'm doing this online teaching for the first time, so I don't know how well will you understand. So you have to open up and tell me by yourself whether you've understood or not, so that I'll know whether I should do it again or I can proceed. Okay, so let's begin with the new question. So this is the question I gave you. Before moving on to the solutions, there are a few things I want all of you all to remember. Those are things you have to remember in your mind while doing the solution. If you remember these things, it'll be very easy for you all to do. So the things which I want you to remember are, let me write down things to remember, okay? Things to remember. First thing which you have to remember is salary, okay? When you talk about salary in exemption, salary will be basic salary plus DA if the DA enters. If they don't use the word enters, that means it will not be there, okay? Plus commission, if commission is there, okay? When we do the exemption, then salary will be these three, don't forget, okay? Nothing apart from these three, only these three, okay? This is the first thing I want you to remember. And the second thing which I want you all to remember is that if they mention the cities like Bombay, Kolkata, to Bombay they say Mumbai, Kolkata they say Calcutta sometimes, old name, or Delhi, or Madras, which is Chennai, okay? If they mention these four cities, then the first exemption will be 50% of salary, okay? Otherwise, or any other cities, it will be only 40%, okay? So these are the things I want all of you all to remember. And the last thing which you have to remember is three parts. The exemptions will have three parts when it comes to HRA. Okay, there are three parts. Just this much you remember, that's it.